Are you struggling to stay on top of your diabetes? Managing diabetes can be challenging, but with a few insider tips, you can take control of your health and enjoy optimal well-being. Tip 1. Focus on a balanced diet. Fill your plate with nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Avoid sugary drinks and processed foods that can cause blood sugar spikes. Tip 2. Monitor your blood sugar levels regularly. It's essential to know where you stand. Keep a record of your readings and share them with your healthcare provider. This will help you make necessary adjustments to your treatment plan. Tip 3. Stay physically active. Engaging in regular exercise can help lower your blood sugar levels, increase insulin sensitivity, and improve overall heart health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Tip 4. Make sleep a priority. Lack of sleep can affect blood sugar control and increase the risk of developing complications. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Tip 5. Manage stress. Stress can elevate blood sugar levels. Find healthy ways to relax and de-stress, such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, or engaging in enjoyable activities. Remember, diabetes control is a journey. Small steps every day can make a significant impact on your health. Thanks for watching our video. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content to support your diabetes management journey. Take care and stay healthy.